show you how to repair this. Right here, there's some scratches, okay, and if you can see from the angle, there's no gloss there. They're a little bit rough, but we're going to show you how to use the Ager and a toothpick. We're going to take the Ager, and we don't want to get it everywhere. We just want to get it where the scratches are. That's why the toothpick. And we're going to go over it really lightly. Because this will hide those scratches. And it flows through that area because that's a low spot, obviously. And then I'm going to take a clean rag and I'm just going to dab it off.